Tired of losing money on credit card processing fees? Today, I'll show you how to set up a cash discount program on your Clover Pos, so you can encourage cash payments and boost your bottom line. First, log into your Clover web dashboard and find the Setup app. This is where we'll configure the settings. Next, within the Setup app, click on Taxes here. You'll see the current tax settings for your business. Now, create a new tax rate, name it something like cash discount, and importantly, set the percentage as a negative value, like -3%. This will effectively discount the price when cash is selected. Now, switch over to your Clover Pos device and open the Register app and start a new transaction. Add the items the customer is purchasing, tap the tax button, and find the cash discount option we just created. Watch as the total automatically updates, reflecting the discount for paying with cash. Lastly, communicate your cash discount program clearly with signage. Let your customers know they can save money by paying with cash. You just increased your profit margin.